Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, September 19th. I thought I'd just do a video here of some of the hotter stocks that are going on at this point in time. Some of these we've been through, but I'm just going to rally down here. Boeing, grinding up, walking up the 8-day. We just let it work. Alibaba, entered here, walking up the 8. We just let it work. Baidu, bought it here. It's choppy, but it's grinding up the 8. We have to let it work. Netflix, entry here. You can see right there the volume pickup. And as the chart says, trends pay. Nvidia looks great. Picked this up here and here. Volume came into it and it's walking up. We got a price target upgrade from somebody, and that's always nice, but it's a good start. We'll see what happens with it. SQ's grinding up. Tesla we covered in another video. Facebook picked this up right near the close today. Told the missionwarners.com people that I was picking some up. And you could say why? I'll show you why. The volume that came into it right here at the close on the hourly or on the 30-minute chart. Taking out those tops. And you combine it with the daily, lifting off the 20 and through the 8. We'll see what happens. I'm going to scroll down here real quick into this area. First Solar went up. We were in this. Started to fizzle. We sold it. We lost a little bit on it. But that's the way it goes. You just limit your losses, and we'll see if it sets up with another pattern. Wuba, leading stock, leading group. Going sideways here. It's something we'll watch. There's a green limit alert. We'll see if it lifts off the 8-day. I'll change that right now for tomorrow. OLED, gapped up today. I think it had an upgrade. It's extended now, but you can kind of see where it was lifting through here and bounding off of the 8-day. MMSI can't get going, but you can see these tops right here. There's my limit alert. I'll have to wait for it. Now, great education for you. You can say, well, Pat, it went up and it closed near its bottom half of its range. Okay, yesterday was a quiet inside day. Today it gapped down, went up, and then fell and closed a little below the 20-day on a slight pickup in volume. That's a problem. There was some selling coming into it. That's a slight negative against it. We'll see what happens. NVCR's tried to go here, and it's just chopping around. Nothing great going on there. Yelp hanging in here. We'll see if it can lift off this 20 period. I do like that volume here. Just needs to push through here and get going. It's on the 90, 45, 10 lift, so it's got numbers. I love this one, Auto Home. Look at that base going across here. Volume, but right here. Look at the volume that came into it there. The next day it falls on less volume. The next day it goes up on a pickup in volume. Or it's a quiet inside day, I'm sorry. Then it just starts to lift a bit. No volume here today. It's just consolidating. But you can see if it takes out this base, maybe it'll go. It's a leading stock in a leading group. Right on the 20-day. Will it break out? I don't know. It'll tell us what to do. We just get in line with what is. NVMI, this is a Bill O'Neill stock from the Bill O'Neill screen. It's just grinding up. No clean entry there. Paycom, going sideways. Perhaps it will lift through these tops. HTHT, this was on the list last night that went to the missionwinners.com group. Going sideways, and right here, it's on the 20-day, and it lifts off and takes off like the rocket's red glare. This is a daily chart. I want to show you something really neat. There's the daily, there's the hourly chart. Going sideways, look at that volume. Here's the 30-minute chart. They voted. They voted. And it takes off like a rocket. And that's good for about 10 points right there from the open. OLLI, just going sideways, nothing left, nothing yet. Analog devices, semiconductor. Semiconductors are strong. Can't get going yet, maybe one day it will. Intel's picking up some, but they're, it's just a grinder. There's nothing really special. It's a longer base. It's just that it's a semiconductor stock. NXPI, I've got a limit alert set right there to see if it can take out these tops. It hasn't done it yet. It's a semiconductor. We watch them. Semiconductors are leading. Netflix, we went through it already. Got it down here and I got it up here. It was on the list last night. Biotech, just going sideways. It's a leading group. I have to watch it. By the way, if you get a chance, punch up SUPN, Sam, Uncle, Peter, Nancy. That's why I hate individual biotechnology stocks. Hate is a strong word. There's too much hatred in the world. But I'll tell you what, I hate individual biotechnology stocks. SUPN, Sam, Uncle, Peter, Nancy. Take a look. How would you feel if you owned it? FAS, kind of picking up. What's in FAS? That right there is financials. Oh, I'll be darned. Some of the financials are picking up. Here's one that we had a couple of days ago that was posted. Hubs. It's on the bill list, the Bill O'Neill screen, the bill list. Going sideways. Just clean and simple. And folks, look at the volume that came into it yesterday. I'm going to show you something really neat. There it is. There's the chart that was sent out a couple of days ago. Quiet, fell here, but it's still above the 8-day. You advance it a day. That was yesterday. Off to the races. And follow through today. That's what we look for. Clean and simple. Right here, going sideways. Hey, I wonder if it can take out 74, around 74.20. I wonder if it'll do that on volume. Well, guess what? They voted. This day, it did 347,000 shares, 531,000 shares that day, 532,000. They voted. That's what we look for. I just want to do a video recap of some hot stocks. And it's not a point of, oh gosh, I missed this and I missed this. No, it's the idea of training our eyes what to look for. I think it's really important. Going sideways, clean and simple base. I always say this. A clean and simple entry right there will give you a clean and simple exit if it falls. You know where to buy it, and if it falls back down, you know where to sell it. Limit losses. Clean and simple entry gives us a clean and simple exit. I just wanted to share those with you on a September 19th, and I thank you.